Hello guys and welcome. Today I will be explaining the process of how to install a GPU. Everybody's GPU will look different, but mine looks something like this little guy. This is a Radeon X 1300 Pro. Nothing special, but she'll get it done. I can guarantee it. Now, here at the bottom of my Radeon X 1300 Pro, we have PCIe connector. This happens to be a 16 times PCIe connector. And on your motherboard, where you're going to want to put it in, is in the 16 times PCIe connector slot, right there. Now, what you want to do, you want to take this end of the graphics card with all your ports on it. And you see this little line right here that I'm sticking my finger through. That is where you want to put this, the I/O shield. You want to line it up. So let me squeeze this down in here. Make sure it is all nice and lined up. Come. Sorry, I know my cables are a mess. Make sure it's nice and lined up. What you want to do is just give it a nice, hold on, there you go. Gentle tap down. It'll slide right into place, just like so. Thank you for watching, and bye.